A bridge may have collapsed in Cagayan, but the Department of Agriculture says there's no need to panic. Despite the setback, officials assure that rice supply won't go off the rails and prices in the market will stay steady. Vel Custodio tells us more.
Department of Agriculture spokesperson Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa assured that rice prices in the market will not be affected by the rice sacks loaded in trucks that fell when Pigatan Bridge in Alcala, Cagayan collapsed on Monday. Assistant Secretary de Mesa also said that rice will not rot or spoil since around 650 rice bags per truck are now being transferred to smaller trucks to be transported going to alternative routes going to markets in Bulacan.
Mangyari lang dahil nasira yung tulay, iikot sila ng Bagao, it will take additional 30 minutes. Tatagal lang na konti ang biyahe. But in terms of logistics, yun lang yung epekto niya.
The Pigatan Bridge plays a vital role in transporting primary commodities. It also connects various municipalities and cities in Cagayan, such as Tuguegarao City, Amulung, and Piat.
Critical bridge yun for the movement of goods. Ngayon kasing panahon na to, peak ng harvest ng palay at saka mais.
According to the DA's Bantay Presyo, the price of regular meal local rice ranges from 30 pesos to 45 pesos per kilo, 38 to 52 pesos for well-milled rice, and 42 to 60 pesos per kilo for local premium rice. Vel Custodio for the National TV for a new and better Philippines.